Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the least frequently used algorithm. So in this algorithm we are going to replace the page which is having the smallest count. Okay, so if the page is not used for some amount of time in the past, then that page is going to be replaced in this algorithm. Okay, so here the LFU algorithm keeps track of the number of times a block is referenced in the memory. Okay, so in the page replacement algorithm we are having some certain uh, strings here, right? So here we are having the pages and the frames. Okay, so here when a page is referred to a main memory, so for each and every reference we are going to maintain a count. So for each and every page here we are going to maintain a count, and whenever it is referenced, so the count is incremented by 1. Okay, so that only we have explained here. Okay, and whenever it enters the frames, it is incremented by 1, and when the page decrements, so whenever the page enters the frame it is incremented by 1, and when the page leaves the memory frame it is decremented by, the count is decremented by 1. Okay, what happens if the count for both for two pages become equal, means at that time we are going to apply the FIFO rule. Okay, so when the cache reaches the capacity and has a new block waiting to be inserted, the system will search for the block with the least counter and it will remove it from the cache. Okay, so when from the set of frames, so if there is a need for swapping, then the cache will search which page is having the least count and it is going to remove it from the cache. So LFU is sometimes combined with the LRU algorithm and it is called as a LRFU. Okay, so here we are going to know about the given algorithm by the example. Okay, so here for this algorithm each page maintains a counter here. So we are having the what are the different pages we are having? So we are having the 1 1 2 and 0 1 2 3 4 and 7. So these are the pages in the, so these are the pages in the given example. So for each and everything we are going to maintain a separate counter. Okay, so 0 so 0 1 2 3 4 and 7, right? So like this we have maintained the counters. Okay, so here what happens here, if the first one is the page 7 is loaded to the main memory, so it is loaded here 7, so it gives a page fault because it is not there in the main memory and the first time we are referencing the 7, so here the count will increment by 1. Okay, so next reference is 0, so 0 is taken into the memory frame, so we are first time loading it to the memory frame, so that's why it leads to a page fault. Okay, so 0 will lead to a page fault. So next the page 1 will be loaded to the main memory. Okay, so it leads to a page fault, right? So here we are having the frame 7, so since we have since the page 7 enters the main memory, the counter is incremented by 1. Similarly 0 has entered the main memory, so the count will become 1 for the 0. Okay, and for the page 1 also it has entered the main memory, so the count will increment by 1. Okay, so 7 0 1. So what are the, so whenever a page is active in the main memory, then the counter will be incremented for that one. Okay, so next page that we have to replace is 2. Okay, so here, so all the pages in the memory are having the equal count. That is 0 is having 1, 1 is having the count 1 and 7 is having the 1. So whenever this type of cases occur, we are going to apply the FIFO policy here. Okay, if there is same count for all the pages, then we are going to apply FIFO policy. That means we are going to remove the oldest frame in the memory, that is 7, and replace it with 2. So there is a page fault here, right? Okay, so 2, 0 and 1. Okay, so there is a page fault here. So now since the 7 is removed from the null here, so it will become 0. Okay, so next 2, 0, 1. So 0 is already there in the main memory, so that's why, so since there is a reference for the 0, so we are going to increment the count of the 0 by 1. Okay, 2, 0, 1. Okay, so here the count of 0 will become 2. Okay, the count of 0 will become 2. So now there is a new reference of 3. So 3 is not there in the main memory. Okay, so what will happen? So we have to replace the 3. Okay, so if you so since 2 is there in the main memory, the count of 2 will become 1, right? Okay, so we are having the 2, 0, 1. So among the given frames in the main memory, so 0 is having the highest reference count, so it will not be removed, right? So 1 and 2 are having the same, so same count. So if there is the same count for 2 or more pages, then we are going to apply FIFO policy. So based on the FIFO policy, so 1 is the oldest frame, so we are going to replace the 3 in the place of 1. So 2, 0 and 3. So there is a page fault here. Okay, so next, so we have entered the 3 into the memory frame, so that's why we are going to increment the 3 by 1. Okay, and we are going to remove the count value of 1 to 0. Okay, so here the active pages are 2, 0 and 3. So now 0, so again there is a reference to 0. So now the count of 0 will increment by 1, right? 2, 0 and 3. So now the count of 0 will increment by 1. So that means 0 count will become 3. Okay, so now, so coming to the 4. So the 4 is a new page reference here, and since 4 is not there in the main memory, we have to replace the page. Okay, so here among the given pages, so 0 is having the highest count, so it cannot be replaced. So we are going to check the 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are having the same count. Okay, so we have to apply the FIFO policy here. So according to FIFO policy, so 2 is the oldest frame here. So we are going to replace the 4 in the place of 2. 4, 0, 3. Okay, so we have replaced the 4 in the place of 2. So now the count of 2 will become 0 and 4 will become 1. Okay, so now there is a new reference for 2. Okay, so according to so here, so 0 is having the highest count, so we cannot replace the 0. So now there is a 4 and 3. Okay, so 4 and 3 are having the same count, that is 1. Okay, so there is the same count, we have to apply the FIFO policy here. Okay, so based on the FIFO policy, we have to remove the oldest frame, that is 3. Okay, so we have to replace the frame 3 here. So that's why I am making the 3 as 0. Okay, 3 as 0. Okay, so here 4, 0 and 2. So there is a page fault here, right? So now next new reference is for page 3. Okay, so here the count of 2 will increment by 1. Okay, so next new reference is for the page 3. Okay, so here the count of 0 is 3 and count of 4 is 1, 2 is 1. So here, so two pages are having the same count. So we have to apply the FIFO policy. So based on the FIFO policy, so we can remove the page 4 here from the main memory. Okay, so we are going to replace the page 3. So there is a page fault for the page 3. Okay, so there is a page fault for page 3. So and we are going to increment the count of 3 by 1. Okay, so next string is 0, so which is already there in the main memory. Okay, so here the count of 0 will increment by 1 since there is a cache hit here, right? So it will become 4. So now, so there is a again reference for 3. Okay, so now the count of 3 will increment by 1 and it will become 2. Okay, so now again for 0 there is a reference. Okay, cache reference here. So that's why the count of so that's why the count of 0 will increment by 1. Okay, so it will become 5. Count will become 5. Okay, so again there is a reference to the page 3 here, which is already there in the main memory. So there is a cache hit here, right? So 3, 0 and 2. Okay, so 2 will, so the count value of 3 will increment by 1, that is 3. Okay, so again there is a cache hit here, so it is referencing to the page which is already there in the main memory. So 302, so the count of 2 will become 2 here, right? So the count of 2 will become 2, right? So like that we are going to perform the LFU algorithm. Okay, so if you observe the last 4 to 5 frames are not having any page faults, right? So there is a continuous cache hit here. Okay, so here, so if you count the number of page faults, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so there are totally 8 page faults here. So totally 8 page faults. Okay, and the hit ratio here is, so here there is the cache hit 1 2 and then 3 4 5 6 and 7, so there are 7 cache hits here. Okay, maintain a counter for each and every frame, so which is active in the main memory. So we are going to maintain the counter for the particular frame if and only if it is active in the main memory. If it is not active in the main memory, then the count will automatically becomes 0. Okay, so when the page enters the memory frame, we are going to increment the count value, and if the page leaves the frame, we are going to decrement the count value. And if there is the same count for 2 or more pages, then we are going to apply the FIFO policy, that is the first in first out. So we are going to remove the oldest page from the main memory. Okay, so this is about the LFU algorithm. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.